The 40-yard dash is a fast and explosive run on the field. This exercise demo is not intended to teach you the technical aspects of improving your sprint mechanics. It's simply to show you how to complete the 40-yard dash as an exercise in your workout program. To get started, line up at the start with both feet on the starting line. Step one foot back directly behind the other foot, then step back with the front foot beside the back foot. Drop down to one knee with your knee in alignment with the heel of your front foot. Lean forward to place your hands on the ground behind the line with your fingers pointing out. Raise your hips up, then pull one arm back to your side to get into the three-point stance with 80% of your weight on your hand touching the ground. Explode out of the start by driving your feet through the ground and swinging your arms for momentum. Continue running as fast as you can until you sprint through the 40-yard finish line. That's one set. Walk back to the starting line, rest for the desired time, and repeat for as many sets as indicated in your program. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.